Hi guys, sometimes things seem almost identical, when viewed on the outside at least. You only see the difference once you take a look inside. That is true in our industry too. Such as when it comes to water pumps. They look the same from the outside, but there are significant differences in quality, and we're now going to take a closer look at just what these differences are. I'm sure you all know what a water pump like this actually does. It pumps the coolant around the cooling circuit from the radiator via the hoses. The hoses also come from Continental. Incidentally, we now also supply electrically regulated water pumps. What do the insides of a high-quality water pump look like, and how does such a pump differ from a cheap one? The O-ring ensures that everything remains leak-free. There are also flat seals or gaskets in addition to O-rings. The impellers look simple, but in fact they are really high-tech because the design of the vanes determines the hydraulic properties. The material is also crucial. They come in metal or especially temperature-resistant plastics. The mechanical shaft seal is responsible for the hydraulic seal between the water pump and the pump shaft. These seals in our pumps are generally made of silicon carbide compounds. This type of seal has a low permeation of approximately 12 grams per 10,000 kilometers. Some manufacturers also use lip seals instead of mechanical shaft seals. The fact that minimal volumes of coolant escape is a result of the design. High-quality pumps therefore have a trap or a discharge hose. The housing is a casting in which the bearing and mechanical shaft seal are also secured. It absorbs the resulting forces and must be perfectly sealed from the engine. Housings are made of die-cast aluminium, cast iron or plastic. The integral bearing is made up of the pump shaft and two bearings, either two ball bearings or, as you can see here, a roller bearing and a ball bearing. The bearing absorbs the forces resulting from the belt tension. The mechanical shaft seals are important. That's because they protect the roller bearings against dirt and moisture and also prevent the bearing lubricant from escaping. The belt pulley is, as it were, the bed for our belts. These pulleys come in a smooth or toothed finish for timing belts or grooved for multi-V belts. Our pulleys are made of sintered metal or plastic. Let's go back to the externals. With this pump type, the housing cover is made of die-cast aluminium. These are tougher and more durable than plastic housings, and that is, of course, a quality difference that can be seen from the outside. The rest is an internal matter. Okay, well, till next time in your workshop.